This is the first chapter of Anita Nayar's Ladies Coupe, her novel Ladies Coupe. So this novel begins, I will describe the chapter 1. Chapter 1 is all about the principal character Akhila. And in the beginning, we see that Akila is a person who is dreaming so much. In the beginning, says that she can smell the railway station, and then she can she can see people carrying baskets, those women wearing like jasmine on their hair, and the smell and the scent and the trolleys that are being pulled. She can feel all that sense, and then she dreams of going out at a journey in the night. She dreams of. In the beginning, we feel whether she is going somewhere, but then later on only we understand that this is all her dream. She has never gone anywhere so far all by herself. She has never gone. And she makes a decision all to herself. Akhila is a person, she is 45 years old. She's not married. She has great dreams of wearing some pink shaded sunglasses and all, but then she doesn't have, she's like an elderly woman, middle-aged woman. So she has never gone anywhere like that all by herself. So she wants to make an escape. This railway station makes her feel that she wants to make an escape. Later on, we can see how she makes that decision, and then she decides that she cannot postpone this. She has to go. And then she chooses that she will go to Kanyakumari, that is at the far end of India. She plans like that. Then she has a sister, Padma, her sister, who is very suspicious about her, very strict and very suspicious. And then she doesn't tell her about this journey. She tells her only after the breakfast, because if she tell before and if she makes a frowning face and says something, she will feel agitated. She will not feel the appetite. So she told her only after her breakfast, and that was December 19, 1997. And then she says that she's going for a journey, and the sister asks her why, with whom and all. She says that it is for work, and the sister says that never before you had to go like this for work. She says now I have to go, that's it. And then she goes to the railway station. She is waiting for Neelufar. Neelufar is her friend who is working in the income tax office. Later on we will find that Akila is also Akila also works in income tax department. Then she makes a comparison between Neelufar and her friend Catherine, and she says that nobody else can be like Catherine. So now this Neelufar says this, and she asks her, are you sure you want to go? And then she asks, please look for a ticket for me. And then he says, okay, I will ask at the reservation counter, I will ask to a person. And then she says that she got the ticket, but she did not get a ticket in nice AC classes and all. She got only in a second class compartment, and then said that 5 ladies will be accompanying, 5 ladies will be there. 5 ladies in there, there will be like 5 ladies. Then Neelufar said, are you sure about this? Those ladies will poke into your life. They will ask so much about your life. And she says, this is all what I want. I want a company. That's all what I want. And then she decides to leave. And then she's ready. And then many times she's back. She's going for this journey. She's getting it. And when the train comes, so many people are rushing into the compartment. And she wonders, is it like this? Why all the people have to rush into? And then somehow she manages to get into the compartment, and she's being seated. And then slowly, one by one, all these ladies comes and all. There is an elderly lady, Janagi. This elderly lady is made to sit there. This is like a ladies' compartment. And another thing, that when she looks, it is written ladies, senior citizen and handicapped. She wondered why ladies have to be put between these two people. Why the headings are given like that? Ladies, as though we lack something. She questions about all that. So there is this Janagi is with her husband. Her husband is in another compartment. They did not get a berth, so he managed to make her be in this compartment. Janagi is an elderly lady. And the next is Prabha Devi, Margaret, and Akhila, who is our principal character. And then the 5th one is a woman like whom in this chapter 1 they did not talk to her, because she seems to a person who is also obsolete about these people, who doesn't care to talk to these people. She just spent time with herself, and as soon as the train started, she just got into and she started sleeping and all. So these 4 ladies, they are talking, and Prabha Devi has a son of 17 years old. her husband is a into jewelry business. And then when she is 17 years old, Akhila's mind, oh, 17 years old, he must be very handsome and all. Then she reminds herself, oh, I am 45 years old lady. And then she consoles herself. Then next lady is Margaret, whom Akhila refers to as pretty lady. And she says that her husband is the principal of a school, and then she's teaching chemistry in that particular school, and then her daughter is also studying in that particular school. Akhila or Akhilandeshwari, her full name is Akhilandeshwari. So only at this point of time, by the end of chapter 1, we understand that she is also working in the income tax department. And the fifth lady, we know that she did not talk to any one of them, so they are quite aloof from her. Maybe in the future she will talk to them and they all will be a good company. So people are asking her, Akhila, why you are not getting married? Then she says her confusion. She says that there is no particular reason for me not to get married. It just happened like that. I was taking care of my family, and then I have, by the time everything was settled, I was so old. I am quite old old now, and I cannot get married and all, she's saying. And then she asked about her doubt. Her doubt is whether it is better for a woman to stay single or to be with a husband. And she hopes that she will get an answer from these people. And then Prabhadevi and Margaret, they quite laugh at her. Oh, you expect to get that answer from us like that? Then Janaki is telling that no, we can talk on that surely. And then Janaki, being an elderly woman, being a housewife, being an elderly woman, she says how she's been treated, like how women are often treated, hopefully treated as princess by their husbands. This reminds me of the Doll's House, Henry Gibson's Doll's House, how women from father is also taking like a princess and giving into the hands of the husband. Husband is also taking care of a princess, and the woman is not able to know, she doesn't know anything. So, and how she slams the door and goes out at the end. So now Janaki says that, so husband treats women like a princess, and she also like, it is a common belief that a woman house is a woman's home, is woman's kingdom. And she always mentioned I was. Then Akhila asks, why are you saying I was? She says that I said so before I used to think that it is good to be alone. It may be good to be alone, but now even if I think so, I'm so used to being with my husband. I really love him that things will not be same if he's not with me. It wouldn't be the same if he wasn't there with me. So she finally concludes that being with husband is the happiest thing for a wife. So this is how chapter 1 concludes. Thank you.